Masquerade say MuZimbababwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kutanga kukuya pa ni channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana jungo garo ka subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi MuZimbababwe takuigirai nyaya ya Buddha nye the Southern African Development Community Secretariat iyo ilikunzi Yadzoka MuZimbababwe Yadzoka on their second preparatory mission to MuZimbabwe kuzocheka kuti nyika yeZimbabwe ready kuhosta the SADC summit. Zimbabwe is set to host the SADC summit in August. Apo Zimbabwe iri kuassume the chairmanship post MuZimbabwe. Chawanikwa President MuZimbababwe appointwa as the new chairman we SADC MuZimbabwe in February this year. This team yakambouya wakatoa the new parliament building iri Mount Abden ndivakawanikwa vachiindosa this new parliament building iri Mount Abden as the main venue ye event ichaitwa ye SADC summit iyoyi, and they said they were impressed nama facilities ariko ku the parliament building Mount Abden. The SADC mission team iyo lead wana SADC deputy secretary of corporate affairs Dr. Judith Matera re-expressed their satisfaction with the new parliament after a 2-hour tour yawakaita ku building MuZimbabwe yakaitwa officially opened last year. Wakabuda wakataura vachiti we had a very good tour for almost 2 hours. We went around to inspect the entire complex. It's a deeply majestic building that we appreciate very much. We have identified the place where we will have the official opening of the summit and also the closing ceremony. There are rooms that are available for our heads of state to have their holding rooms, the places where they are going to have their meals and so forth. Abuda, actually the Secretariat will also have a dedicated place for their documentation and preparation of everything to facilitate the smooth running of the summit. So, in a nutshell, we are very happy, and also on the health side, the medical side, we inspected the rooms to deal with any emergencies that may arise during the summit, so we were very happy. Akabuda achitaura MuZimbabwe. So the delegation yakavista zvakare mahotels yachinge achiaccommodate my delegates to check whether they meet my required SADC standards, including the nature assistance iri kurequire mahotels kuti awanikwa achimita ma standards SADC MuZimbabwe. The mission yakavista zvakare the Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport to check kuti security yakamira sei pa airport, from the airport to the hotels, and vakatoa zvakare the Museum of African Liberation currently under construction. Vakavisita vakaona nezvayo MuZimbabwe. So Zimbabwe ichaassume its chairmanship of SADC from Angola during this summit, and it will have an opportunity to present reports on the state of preparedness towards hosting the summit. So those are fambirwa ni the SADC Secretariat Yadzoka for the second visit kuona kuti progress yavapapi, kuona Zimbabwe yapapi in preparation for this SADC summit MuZimbabwe. Tivazive kuti munoona sei nyaya itiudzei zvamuri kufunga mu comment section. So the forthcoming Southern African Development Community Summit it will hold a significant importance for President Emmerson Mnangagwa MuZimbabwe apo achanga achigadzira kuassume the chairmanship of the regional bloc MuZimbabwe. Mnangagwa's leadership is under scrutiny nekuda kwe controversial August elections akaitika ayo akadiscusswa ne regional leaders MuZimbabwe. Actually, they were problematic MuZimbabwe. The main opposition party, Citizens Coalition for Change, ayanakunge ya mount a court challenge nekuda kwekuti yaileka evidence pamwechete nekuleka kwayakaita ma-polling agents pakurigwa kwakaitwa ma-elections. So ma-observers akanota kuti the opposition yakaleka a strategy yokucontesta nayo yekucontesta ma-results akabuda MuZimbabwe. So Zambian President vakaende ichilema varunzi vanova the SADC chairman for politics, defense and security cooperation pushed kudarika zvakatoita kudarika mapushiro aita opposition in criticizing results akabuda elections iyaya muri Zimbabwe. The SADC Electoral Observer Mission yakabuda ichitaura chiti Zimbabwe's elections akaviolate the constitution, the Electoral Act and SADC principles and guidelines ayanogovern democratic elections. Vachitaura kuti elections aya were not free and fair or credible muri Zimbabwe. There is a diplomat who informed the newsworks kuti the electoral reports from last year will be presented to President MuZimbababwe during the summit that will come in August. The Zimbabwe report is likely to be adopted with amendments. Mnangagwa aims to legitimize the elections and gain recognition. As the summit chair, he is in the prime position to do so. He also wants to present Zimbabwe as a country moving forward, which is why he is focusing on building infrastructure muri Zimbabwe. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa one of my diplomats akainforma newsworks achiti this summit it is going to play a crucial role for leadership President Emmerson Mnangagwa muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi despite my attempts akaitwa by the Mnangagwa government to keep the election issue off the agenda, SADC leaders receive a controversial observer mission report during an extraordinary summit yakaitwa kuLuanda kuAngola on 4 November. So the summit yakaestablishwa yakaestablisha a sub-committee include Angola, Namibia and Tanzania kuti one she discuss she address the Zimbabwe situation. Zvakare private discussions akakontinue kuitwa within SADC circles muri Zimbabwe. This summit iyo originally yakaitwa virtually, leaders decide to meet in person kuLuanda apo kwainzi vada kudiscuss the issue the DRC pamwechete neZimbabwe, maissues eDRC neZimbabwe. President Emmerson Mnangagwa the foreign affairs minister Frederick Shava vakatry kuresista kuti issue yeZimbabwe include on the agenda, but SADC chair President João Lourenço pamwechete na Zambian president hakaindi ichilema insista kuti no, this issue yainida kuresolvwa, nzekufana kuresolvwa this issue yema elections iwawa muri Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei muri Zimbabwe nofunga vakaindi ichilema vakasvika pakuatakwa nemazanu PF officials chinzi vasafanira kupindira munyaya dzemuZimbabwe. Muri Zimbabwe tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. So President Emmerson Mnangagwa akunzi wazoshandisa the United Nations General Assembly yakaitwa muna September last year to engage SADC leaders vachitaura about nyaya yema irregularities ari kunzi anga aripo pana elections muno muZimbabwe. So zviri kunzi the upcoming summit iri kuitwa muna August, it is going to allow President Emmerson Mnangagwa to address the controversy surrounding the elections, since he is very keen to resolve this issue muri Zimbabwe. Tisingaziye kuti how is he going to clear the air on this issue SADC leaders muri Zimbabwe. Tiudzei zvamunofunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.